Hi, my name is John Basor, and I'm the President and CEO of Dematic North America. I'd like to welcome you here to ProMat and to the Dematic booth, where we have many new technologies that are going to change your world.
This is Ken Rudans with Dematic, and today I'm going to demonstrate Rapid Pick, a new goods-to-person order fulfillment solution from Dematic. Rapid Pick features a solution that allows the operator to be highly effective. By bringing the goods to the person, the operator can operate with throughput rates of around 500 to 1,000 line items per hour. So let me start it up here. We'll get some picking going, and we start by looking at the screen, a very ergonomically placed screen, and it tells us the number of items to pick in the order. And you typically would pick from the donor tote, which is on the left side. It donates a SKU, and then we will put it into the picking tote when the order comes up here. It's very ergonomic. The operator stands on a lift so that it can be raised or lowered, so the operator is operating at a very convenient and effective height. The engine behind Rapid Pick is multi-shuttle, which is a high capacity inventory staging buffer that brings the loads to the operator at the rate that's required to achieve the high picking performance rates. Rapid Pick is a split case solution. It's for eaches and pieces. So here's our first order. It is for 2 items. It happens to be a pen, and there's a visual photograph of the pen on the screen, so I can confirm I have the right order. And I will count 2 items into the order container, press 2 and acknowledge, and then we have a 1 second tote exchange rate, so we can see how fast it is to go to the next pick, to the next pick, to the next pick. All of this is on a very compact footprint, so that fits into warehouses very effectively by using up to 35 feet of height and then a very compact operator station. So here's our next order. This happens to be for a tape measure, a picture of the tape measure. It's for 1 item. Put it into the order container, press OK, and then we have, again, a very fast tote exchange.
Well, I'd like to welcome you to another new product we're releasing at the show this year, and it's the Dematic Laser Truck Plus. It's a fully integrated truck that takes the technology of Dematic, software solutions of our pick generator, and it allows us to interface it with a crown truck and truly have a very unique feature to our customers in the picking warehouse environment. It allows for an operator simply to pick and do his job as the truck does its job. Meaning we can make rainbow pallets, we can have store-friendly, we can have aisle-friendly packs based upon the requirements and how we pick today. So the truck does its thing all on its own through programs and software functions, and the operator is voice commanded through our voice technology to allow for the operator simply to give commands to the truck that he's picked the device and gone on. Such a fashion, placing it, and the truck then can go on down the road to the next operator, next aisle, or based upon the next product if they'd like to pick it. I'd like to introduce Dematic Director IT mobile product. What it allows us to do is simply to have real-time experience with our customers' layouts, systems, functionality, manuals, alert alarms, information readily available to anyone, whether it's a manual device or manuals. You can pull up and get the information, detailed information based upon what's going on in the plant, the environment. You can then look at trace and track on your products, such as any item in your plant that's moving through that you want to look at. We can identify where it is, go to the map, and it shows you exactly where that component is. We have dashboard information, which allows you to have your KPI information, your productivity readily at hand. It can then also be used in live webcam feeds, so you can take a look at what's going on in your production environment throughout the day to just validate your equipment and everything is moving comfortably through. It'll also send alarms to you, in effect, if there's problems, and alert monitoring. So all our systems and all our softwares are tied in through this same application, either through an iPad, through any smart mobile device as an Android or an iPhone. It's truly going to be a revolutionary technology, and device allows you to simply be in tune with your products in your warehouses, in your distribution, in a real-time environment.